This smells very nice. Dinner is served. Fried mackerel fish, flavored with turmeric and served with sambal belacan. I'm going to do another fish recipe today. This is a very simple Malaysian dish. It doesn't require much ingredients, it doesn't require much preparation, and it is very easy to make it. Now, to do this fish recipe, I'm going to use a fish mackerel. Now for this recipe, it is very simple. The main ingredient obviously is the fish because it is a fish dish. And the fish I'm using is a mackerel fish. I have 2 pieces of mackerel cutlets which I have got from the market today. I'm going to season the fish with a little bit of salt and a little bit of white pepper. And then I'm going to flavor the fish with fresh turmeric. Now, turmeric is also known as yellow ginger. In Malay, it's called kunyit. And in my mother tongue, which is Penang Hokkien, it's called wei kiao or yellow ginger. So I have this frozen pack and it's in my freezer. I can actually smell it. The turmeric itself has a beautiful aroma and it tastes almost like ginger. It's a little bit bitter and it's a little bit sweet and pungent as well. I like to serve the fish with a little bit of salad and a little bit of vegetable. So what I'm going to do is, this is basically optional, you don't have to. Now I'm going to serve my fish with a little bit of green salad. So this is a mixed salad. I'm going to slice a cucumber and also I'm going to add a tomato. So this is what I'm going to do to serve the fish. No rice, just vegetable. So that's all it is that simple to prepare the fish. All I did was I just rubbed with a little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper, and freshly pound the fresh turmeric, and then just rub the turmeric all over the fish to give it that aroma of a fresh turmeric flavor. Now, it also turns the fish a little bit into yellow color. The other thing is that if you don't like your hands to turn yellow, I suggest you wear gloves. Otherwise, you're going to get stain on your hand and it's going to turn a little bit yellow, and it will stay that way for at least overnight until tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it marinate for 15 minutes. So while I let the fish marinate, I'm going to prepare the cucumber and the tomato and to get the plate ready for plating the fish. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over. Wow! Okay, I'm going to turn over and have a look. Oh, okay, looks beautiful. Oh yes. Smells very nice. So I'm just gonna have a look inside because it's such a thick cut of fish. Yeah, it's definitely cooked. That looks beautiful. This is a homemade sambal. This smells very nice. Fried mackerel fish flavored with turmeric, served on a bit of salad with slices of cucumber and tomato, and served with sambal belacan dipping sauce. The fish will go very well with the sambal belacan. And if you want to know how I made the sambal belacan, I have a video link below this description of this video or on the top right of this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Q. Thanks for watching.